Mergado Pack is a free set of modules for e-commerce platforms that will help you connect your online store with the online world.
Hi! Today we will look at how to implement Google Analytics into your PrestaShop using Mergado Pack module. You need to have Mergado Pack module installed. If you need help with that, you will find the link to the tutorial video in the top right corner. First, you need a Google Analytics account. Then go to Admin, Property Settings, and copy your tracking ID. Also, make sure you have Enhanced e-commerce tracking enabled. Then go back to Mergado Pack plugin, switch to Advertising Systems, and on the Google tab, scroll down to Google Analytics and enable the feature. Pass the tracking ID and enable basic tracking, e-commerce tracking, and enhanced e-commerce tracking. Then click Save. Mergado Pack also allows to enable refunds for Google Analytics. Just scroll down to Refunds, click Enable and pass the tracking ID again, and select for which order status will the refund be sent to Google Analytics. Click Save, and that's it.
Mergado Pack is for free. You can download it either on our website or on the official website of each platform.